In this video, let us understand the concept of 1 ton of refrigeration. 1 ton of refrigeration is a standard unit used to measure cooling capacity of a refrigerator or an air conditioning system. When I say cooling capacity indicates how much heat a refrigerator or an air conditioning system can remove in a given time. For refrigerator, it can be heat removal from a food compartment or freezer. For an air conditioning system, it can be heat removal from a room or multiple rooms. Okay, so what is the definition of 1 ton of refrigeration? So the 1 ton of refrigeration is the rate of heat removal required to produce 1 US ton of ice at 0 degrees Celsius from water at 0 degrees Celsius in 24 hours. So what it means is we have 1 US ton of water here, water which is at 0 degrees Celsius. We are changing this water's phase to ice, 1 US ton of ice which is also at 0 degrees Celsius. There is no temperature difference. This is purely a phase change process. So whatever heat removal is taking place here, it is a latent heat. So this process of phase change from water to ice, it involves only the removal of latent heat of fusion of water. And also the time duration for this phase change from water to ice is 24 hours. Okay, so now let's calculate how much is 1 ton of refrigeration is equal to kilojoule per minute, and how much is 1 ton of refrigeration equivalent to 1 kilowatt. Okay, so we are producing 1 US ton of ice, and that is equivalent to mass of 907.2 kg. The latent heat of fusion of water, latent heat of fusion of water at 0 degrees Celsius is equal to 335 kilojoule per kg. Okay, so we know that we are producing 1 US ton of ice which is 907.2 kg of mass. Latent heat of fusion of water at 0 degrees Celsius is 335 kilojoule per kg. If I multiply this mass with the latent heat of fusion of water, I will get 907.2 kg multiplied by 335 kilojoule per kg. Kg will get cancelled and we will get 303,912 kilojoule. So this 303,912 kilojoule of heat is the heat removal required to produce 1 US ton of ice from water at 0 degrees Celsius. As per the definition of 1 ton of refrigeration, ice is being produced in 24 hours. So the given time is equal to 24 hours. Now let's say if I write Q by T, that gives me the rate of heat removal to produce 1 US ton of ice at 0 degrees Celsius in 24 hours, which is equal to 1 TR, 1 ton of refrigeration. So let us write Q by T. Q is 303912 kilojoule divided by time, 24 hours. Let us convert this 24 hours into minutes. So Q is 303912 kilojoule divided by 24 multiplied by 1 hour is 60 minutes. So 60 minute. If you solve this, 1 TR is equal to 211 kilojoule per minute. So now we know 1 TR is equal to 211 kilojoule per minute. Let's convert this minute into seconds. So 1 TR is equal to 211 kilojoule. Instead of minute, I will write 60 second. If we solve this, we will get 1 TR equal to 3.51 kilojoule per second is kilowatt. So 1 TR is equivalent to 3.51 kilowatt. So 1 ton of refrigeration is equal to 3.51 kilowatt. So when an air conditioning system is rated as 2 ton, that means its cooling capacity is 2 multiplied by 1 ton is 3.51 kilowatt. So the air conditioning system has got cooling capacity of 7 kilowatt.